The IKEA vision is really what gets us out of bed in the morning. It's the passion of the business. It's the why behind why we do business in Southeast Asia, in particular Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. Our thousands of co-workers have this in mind when they go to work and when they service our customers. We offer our customers the full IKEA range. So we offer them access to a well-designed, functional, good quality, low price home furnishing range that they can love. We also develop, own and operate shopping centers across Southeast Asia. Why? To have one-stop shopping, to have a fantastic day out, and always with IKEA as an anchor. One place to go dining, playing, shopping and hanging out. It's very important for us that our shopping centers become a meeting place for the communities we are in. Sustainability is a part of everything we do in Southeast Asia. It's a part of how we design our IKEA stores and shopping centers. It's a part of our product range. It's part of our communication to our co-workers and our customers. It's a big part of life in Southeast Asia.
Never before have we had such exciting plans. So we're actually doubling our business in the next coming years. We are developing one IKEA store every year, a shopping center every second year, and mixed use when we have the opportunity. We have around 15 to 20 projects in our portfolio in various phases. And as one project opens up, the other one is being planned. There's nothing more heartfelt and warm than seeing all the customers welcoming IKEA to a new market. Fantastic. And also the spin-off effect it has with all the service providers in and around the shopping center and the IKEA store. So we make a huge difference to the local community that we interact with. No other retailer has such a ripple effect in the economy that IKEA have when they open. I think expansion provides fantastic opportunities for everyone to grow.
IKEA is definitely a unique workplace. We really look for people who are down to earth and straightforward. You can't copy IKEA workplace culture. It's different. We do things differently. The great thing is people can really be themselves here. Working in IKEA is like being part of a big and loud family.
It's a very fun place. It allows me to be creative.
I love working with IKEA and I've been here for the past 30 years.
I like being on site, I like working with people and with construction. I'm an engineer by trade and it's good to actually see what we design being built on site.
It's a great place to work. When I wake up, then to meet the customer, to make them smile, this is my motivation. Yeah.
I've lived in 4 different countries. I've had 15 different roles. No other company gives you that kind of opportunity to grow.
We work like a big family. The sense of togetherness is really strong.
I like working for this company because there's just so many fantastic opportunities here in Southeast Asia. It makes me full of energy going to work every day.
We know that it takes great people to run a great business. As a franchise, we are growing really fast and we want to grow our people and our business together.